In this video, you're going to be learning about the Bluetooth capabilities on your GRP2615. Your phone also supports Bluetooth devices like headsets or earbuds. Access the main menu by tapping the center navigation key. From here, go down to System, then go down to Bluetooth. Then, from here, scroll down until you find Start Scan. You will then see a list of the available devices that you can connect to. Scroll to the device that you want to connect to, and then press the soft key for pair. Once the device is paired, you can then return back to the main screen. You can now use your Bluetooth headset to make or receive calls by tapping the headset button, to which you will see it turn green. To verify that your Bluetooth headset is connected, you can see the Bluetooth icon in the top right of your screen. And that is how you use a Bluetooth device on your GRP2615.